So, you just tried to open a website and got this annoying error. If you're wondering how to remove this error and safely open this site, don't worry, I'll give you 6 effective ways to do that. If you're the website's owner and want to fix this error, check the video linked above for that. Welcome, my name is Julian and I put out weekly tutorials and tips to boost your website performance. Let's begin. This error occurs when a browser notices a problem with the website's SSL certificate, which protects a visitor's personal data. Different browsers can show this error in different ways. The first and easiest fix is to solve this on a browser level by reloading the page, using incognito mode, or going into the history and clearing all your browser's data. These are really easy steps, but they do work a lot of times. If the website still shows the error, then the most common reason for getting this error is using an unsecured public Wi-Fi, like that of a cafe or an airport. So just switch once to your mobile data and check the site again. If you're not using a public Wi-Fi or the error does not go away, then the issue can be your computer's clock. Yeah, you heard that right. Your browser uses your system's clock to confirm that the SSL certificate is valid. So if the date and time are wrong, it can trigger this SSL error. Just head to your system settings and check that your date and time are correct. If not, fix them and reload the website. If you still have the error, then you need to deactivate your antivirus and VPN. Either of these can block certain SSL certificates, so disable them one by one to check which one is causing the issue. If that doesn't work, then restart your router once, because sometimes network errors are caused due to them malfunctioning. Make sure to wait a few seconds before turning it on again, because the capacitor can keep running for a few seconds after you turn off the device. Now, if nothing else works, we need to check if this error is only being shown to you because there's an issue in your system or network, or if the error is on the website itself. Just paste the error website's URL in any one of these free portals. If you can then access the site, then it means that the issue is indeed in your systems or network. However, we've already tried the main fixes in this video and they didn't help you. So you should just access the site using this proxy from now on. If you can't access the site, then the issue is on the website itself, in which case you have no option but to just click on Advanced and load the website. Please be warned, this is really unsafe. So while browsing the site, don't click on any ads, don't make online payments, and don't give out any personal information. Limit your browsing to just a few minutes and then clear your history. If this video helped you, please subscribe below for more helpful website tips and tricks. Here's another video that I think you really like. This is Julian, your friendly neighborhood geek, and I'll see you again next week.